Imagine something so powerful, so mysterious that it can bend light, warp time, and hold entire stars in its grip. Yet it's completely invisible. Right now, at the very center of our Milky Way galaxy, about 26,000 light-years away, there's a monster hiding in the darkness. A black hole. But not just any black hole. This one is supermassive, millions of times heavier than our Sun. And it's been shaping our galaxy since the beginning. Now, let's be real. Black holes sound like something out of a sci-fi movie. They devour everything that gets too close. They mess with the laws of physics, and nobody can escape once they cross the point of no return. That point is called the event horizon, and it's the last place you'd ever want to be. But what's fascinating is that even though we can't see black holes directly, we know they're out there. Like detectives solving a cosmic mystery, astronomers gather clues from the way stars move and light bends to uncover their secrets. So, what exactly is at the heart of our galaxy? It's a black hole called Sagittarius A, or SGR-A for short. It sits quietly in the middle of the Milky Way, right in the direction of the Sagittarius constellation. And get this, although it has the mass of over 4 million suns, it would fit inside a space smaller than our solar system. Mind-blowing, right? You might be thinking, okay, but if it's invisible, how do we even know it's there? Great question. Scientists first suspected something strange was going on in the center of the galaxy when they noticed stars whipping around like race cars at a cosmic speedway. These stars were orbiting an invisible object at incredible speeds, so fast that the only explanation was a supermassive black hole pulling on them with its massive gravity. Nothing else could do that. Then, in 2002, astronomers using the Keck Observatory in Hawaii tracked one of these stars, named S2, as it made a full 16-year orbit around SGR-A. That orbit confirmed the black hole's existence. Think about that. We can't see the black hole itself, but we can watch how stars dance around it, like invisible choreography that reveals the power of an unseen partner. But here's where it gets even cooler. In 2022, the Event Horizon Telescope, yes, the same one that gave us the first ever image of a black hole in another galaxy, finally delivered a blurry but groundbreaking image of SGR-A. What we saw wasn't the black hole itself, but its glowing outline, a ring of hot gas orbiting just outside the event horizon. It's like photographing the shadow of a ghost using a global telescope made of observatories all over the world. A true scientific triumph. Now, you might wonder, should we be worried about this thing? Is it going to swallow the galaxy, or worse, us? Luckily, the answer is no. Black holes don't go around sucking things up like cosmic vacuum cleaners. You'd have to get dangerously close, like really close, for anything bad to happen. And we're not. Earth is safe, hanging out far away in one of the galaxy's spiral arms. But that doesn't make black holes any less fascinating. In fact, it makes them even more mysterious. They're like sleeping giants, silently influencing the galaxies around them. Scientists believe supermassive black holes like SGR-A aren't just lurking in the background, they actually help shape galaxies. Some theories suggest that the formation of a black hole and the galaxy itself are deeply connected, like they were born together. Others think black holes grew over time by swallowing gas, dust, and maybe even smaller black holes. We still don't have all the answers, but every discovery brings us closer. Black holes also push the limits of physics. Einstein's theory of general relativity, which explains how gravity works, still holds up near black holes, but just barely. Inside a black hole, all the rules break down. We call that place the singularity, and it's where matter gets crushed into infinite density. No one knows what really happens there. It's the edge of human understanding, a place where our best science meets the unknown. And that's why SGR-A is so important. It's not just an invisible object at the center of our galaxy. It's a laboratory for extreme physics, a key to understanding how galaxies evolve, and maybe even a path to unlocking the deepest mysteries of space and time. The more we learn, the more we realize how much we don't know. But that's what makes it exciting. We're living in a time when we can peer into the heart of our galaxy, where ancient stars orbit an invisible force that defies imagination. And who knows? Maybe one day we'll understand black holes not as cosmic monsters, but as vital engines of the universe. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember, 26,000 light-years in that direction, past clouds of dust, stars, and cosmic radiation, there's a black hole quietly spinning, shaping, waiting. And even though we can't see it, it's part of what makes our galaxy what it is. Because sometimes the most powerful forces in the universe are the ones we can't see, but we know they're there.
Hey there, if you're enjoying this video and appreciate the effort behind it, don't forget to like this video. It really helps the channel grow, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss an update. Oh, and one more thing, share this video with your friends. Spread the love and support. Alright, now let's get back to the video. Let me know if you want any tweaks.